Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I have two different kind of like paper gift bags that you can do. They are very simple, very cute, easy to make. My favorite one is this one. This is super cute. Of course, I made this with the pattern construction paper. You can do different sizes of this. This is a bigger size. This one is just with the pattern paper and just with some tape. This one is, of course, duct tape. The second one, I did a bunch of different sizes of these. I think these are super adorable, super cute. Look at that. I think these would be cute. You know, you put down like a little ring or a little card that you made. I think they're cute. You can do different sizes, of course. Like I said, these are cute. These are different sizes. To me, it looks better when you have like different color tape. I wouldn't really do it with the clear tape. This is what it looks like with the clear tape. And then you guys know on this channel we do like custom things. So even if you punched a hole in it and had like a little tag hanging off it, like to and from, this would be super cute. So yeah, stay tuned so you can learn how to make these. And you know, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Okay, so for the first paper thing that we're going to make, only thing you are going to need is scissors, ribbon, paper, and you can use any circular item. I'm going to be doing different sizes. This is smaller. You could also use the top of this. All you're going to do is take it and trace this on the paper 4 times. You need four different ones and cut them out. And then of course when you're done with your little ribbon, you can go ahead and add whatever embellishments you would like. If it's a flower, thicker ribbon, skinnier ribbon, it's up to you. All you do is just tie it, and there you go. Alright, for this one I'm going to be using 2 different types of paper. They are both like cardstock paper, but this one is a little bit thicker, so I'm gonna see how this turns out. Okay, so the first step to this is to put some tape along the edging, but you do not want it to cover the whole thing. You want like half of it to hang off. So I'm just gonna put my paper over the edge like that, and then I am going to do that. And as you can see, the tape is half on there. Alright, and what you do after that is just simply bring the other side around like this and just, you know, just go ahead, line it up and tape it on. And then just tuck the tape right here on the inside like that. And you pretty much have a circle. What you're going to do is take the tape and get it somewhat in the middle and then pinch the ends of it like this. And then you're going to do the same thing for here with the tape. You're going to have it hanging off. So let me go ahead and add some tape on here. Just like so. As you can see, it's hanging off. So you want to go ahead and pinch those two sides together. And then all you're going to do is just simply fold this tape on over. I'm trying to do that and look at the camera at the same time. Yep, just fold that tape on over, and then you can cut off whatever extra pieces you have on the side. This is the other one that I have. It is a different size. It's smaller. So what you're going to want to do now is the side that you have the tape on, you're going to want to just go ahead and split that and fold that in half just like that. And then go ahead and take your tape. Well, of course, put your gift in it first. Take your tape, put it halfway on, fold it over. And that is it.